Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Leanna here. I did not start this channel to be an unboxing channel. It seems like that is mostly what I do. I have got to get back into doing the makeup, but I mean content, y'all. So today I am unboxing my very first Luxury Diva box, and I was looking in my emails because, okay, so laying in bed late at night on Instagram on your phone is bad juju. Don't do it. Just don't do it, because you end up buying things that normally you would not come across or buy. Just put your phone away. Leanna, put the phone away. There was an ad on Instagram, get a Luxury Diva box. I don't even know if I've watched any Luxury Diva unboxings. But anyway, so I went to their website, and I'm looking at their website now on my computer. You can purchase one time, or you can subscribe and save. And it says, purchase one time, $40. My email says they charged me $90. What? I don't know what happened. Anyway, I've already emailed them to find out what happened, but I got my box. So let's see what I paid $90 for. I'm sure that y'all have probably seen lots of Luxury Diva unboxings. Here's the paper that came in it. Total retail value of my box, it says, is $115. It's the November edition. It's the 7th of December. But that's fine. I don't care about that. And they wished me a happy birthday. Did y'all know my birthday was in November? In case y'all didn't know, the whole month of November was my birthday. So this has a list. Why does it say first of 3 months? I don't know what's going on. Maybe I was drunk on Instagram in the middle of the night in my bed. Here's the inside of the box. Let's set this over to the side. I got some socks. Those feel really nice. They're nice and thick. What does this say? Dark gray striped knit. Nope. Luxury Diva winter print 2-pack lamb's wool socks is $15. They feel really nice. Nice socks. And then I have a Ivory timeless plaid poncho. So I love ponchos. They are one of my favorite things, and this is really nice. This is the reason that I actually signed up for the box. It's very soft, but this looks nothing like what the picture on their website shows. This poncho is $38. I will definitely get some use out of that, and the socks. So that's nice. And then, have y'all been talking to Single Swag? Because there's candy. Don't send me candy. Okay, I'm going to fuss here for just a moment after I get the hair out of my mouth. How do y'all know that people aren't diabetic? Don't send people candy. And then we have a beanie hat. That's super cute. I will wear that this winter. Beanie hat. dark gray striped knit mega slouchy beanie cap hat is $22. So that's cool. And then we have two masks. They're cream mask. We have a hot chocolate and a 24 karat gold. And these masks are $15 for the pair. Self-heating clay mask. And this one just says 24 karat gold cream mask, advanced formulation, dermatologist tested, rich hydrating cream with pure gold and peptides. Pampers the skin for soothing chocolate. Pampers the skin with, words are important, and they're hard, soothing chocolate and natural clay that heats on contact, then cools to leave the skin rejuvenated. So those, I love a good clay mask. So I will be keeping those. So far I'm keeping everything. That's cool. And the last thing is Hematite glass beaded charm stacked bracelet set. Oh, look at the bling bling. That is very blingy, and this is $25. It's got little charms on it. That one says love. Love. So that's interesting, and it's stretchy. Not only is it stretchy, but if you stretch it out too far, oh, nice. That's nice. Great. So I don't know if I will be repairing that and trying to wear it. Obviously it will not be going in the giveaway box. Oh, I see. It's several. 5 bracelets altogether. These. And the one that has love on it is the one that is coming apart. And they're pretty. Pretty stretchy bracelets. I think it said that they're stacking. Yep, charm stacking bracelets. Well, that one's very stretchy too. So there they are. They're pretty. I like them. Don't know about this one though. So there we are. Just a quick video to show you what I got in my very first Luxury Diva box. Do any of y'all get the Luxury Diva box? Let me know down in the comments if you like this box. I'm undecided. I just thought I would try it. Trying new boxes can be fun, but I don't want to subscribe to a whole lot of boxes. I got my hands full with the ones. But I couldn't pass it up because I really like that poncho, but I thought it was going to be a different color. But that's fine. So there we go. Luxury Diva box for November. Thank you for joining me to watch me unbox my first Luxury Diva box. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It sure does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed, and ring the notification bell so that you get notified the next time I upload a video. And as usual, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are, and we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher, it's December Christmas month. Oh, I shouldn't tell you that. Christopher, look, boo-boo, do you need some big, fluffy, thick wool socks for when you go fishing? Luxury Diva socks? You'll be styling. That's beauty stuff, right? Your feet will be pretty in your boots and keep your feet. Do you go fishing in the wintertime? I don't know. But maybe you need some bougie socks to go fishing. Okay? Mama loves you, boo.